Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and give it a like, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment in the box. In this video guys, I'm not going to offer you anything that's going to cost you a penny. It's all free, no credit card, no debit card, no PayPal required. And at the very end, I'm going to tell you where you can get a massive traffic bonus as well as this free traffic exchange report. Alright guys, so what's inside? You can place your links to different but related websites, and you can increase your search engine rankings and attract larger number of targeted traffic. This rolls out around about $27 guys, so today I'm offering it you free with the bonuses that I'm going to announce at the end, and it's going to give you wings to your online venture with link exchange program. You can place your links in different but related websites and increase your search engine ranking and attract larger number of targeted traffic. You can learn how to select an automatic link exchange program to sit back and watch your website getting linked to hundreds of web pages. And you'll be able to advertise your website by simply submitting your URL and a few other details at a minimum or no cost at all. You'll improve your click-through ratio and develop your business into a brand name and let surfers wonder why your company name shows up everywhere. So you can continue driving your site for an indefinite period of time without ongoing costs. So if you implement this effective link exchange practices and get rewarded by search engines for being popular, you can promote your email without spamming, which is very important. And you'll be able to enhance the equity value of your website, and there's much more guys. Okay, so you can get all this. Plus today I'm going to offer you this massive traffic package. And included in this is going to be 50,000 visitors to any website of your choice, absolutely free. And there's also some free safe list credits I'm going to give you. And you can get all this free if you download this free traffic exchange report. The way you do this is click the link below this video, guys. Make sure you click the link, otherwise you won't pick up the bonuses, which are very important. If you haven't done already guys, subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, give it a like, put a comment in the box. Don't forget to click the link to get both these packages absolutely free. So for now guys, stay safe and I'll see you in the next video.